The piece of assistive technology I want to talk to you today about is the Canary unit. We're looking to use the Canary unit as part of an assessment tool. The unit itself has various sensors. This one's a room sensor. Also within these sensors there are temperature gauges that actually sense the room temperature, so we can tell if somebody's got the heating on and off. The next sort of sensor is this door sensor. We can place one on the front and the back door, and it will pick up any movement with the door. It will tell you when it's open and closed. Also included in the unit are swipe cards. So if the individual has any visitors, whether it be professionals, carers, it could be family members, they can actually swipe themselves in to say that they've actually visited that individual. As you can see, it comes with a credit card size swipe card, but also a key fob size. This is ideal for actually putting in key safes. In our area, we're using the Canary unit as part of an assessment tool to help enable us to assess the amount of care that's actually put in somebody's home. I use the example of somebody thinking that their relative perhaps needs 24-hour care. With the use of the Canary unit, we can actually prove that maybe that's not the case. Without being too intrusive, we can put the sensors in each room of the property. Any movement will be picked up. So if the person goes to bed at 11 o'clock at night and there's no movement up until 7 o'clock in the morning, we know that that person does not need any care inputs within them hours. The other addition of the use of the Canary units are that we can implement carers going into a property at the relevant times. The other bonus to the Canary units is that let's say it's mid-morning, the person gets up and goes into the bathroom, and then the sensor picks up no movement for a certain amount of time. An alert can be set up so that should that person be still stuck in the bathroom and there's been no movement picked up, that alert will go to, for instance, a mobile phone to alert a relative or professional that that person hasn't moved for a certain amount of time. It could be 20 minutes. That way we know that perhaps that person's had a fall and is stuck on the floor, and obviously the relevant services can be contacted.